Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by making sure Hyperos 2 is active and your device has at least 20% battery. This prevents interruptions. Open the AI Wallpaper app or the built-in wallpaper settings now and grant storage, media, and wallpaper permissions so the service can save generated images. Once done, pick your style seed, mood, color palette, or an example image. You'll see options for resolution and aspect ratio. Choose one that matches your screen, such as 16:9 or device native ratio, before generating. You now craft the prompt or add a reference photo and select a style preset. Then set resolution and aspect ratio to match your display. Pick animation or static options if available. Tap Generate and watch the preview. If the result is off, adjust sliders for detail, color temperature, or saturation and regenerate. This iterates quickly. Make deliberate small changes so you understand how each parameter affects the outcome. Once you like a preview, test both dark and light modes to ensure legibility of icons. You're ready to apply the wallpaper. Choose Home, Lock, or both and confirm. If the wallpaper won't apply, first clear the app cache and re-grant permissions, then try again. Many failures come from revoked storage access. If generated images show artifacts or performance issues, regenerate at a lower resolution or toggle off animation. As a final step, reboot the device to resolve lingering rendering glitches. If problems persist, check for Hyperos updates and retry after updating the OS or app.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.